All right, so we're doing some paint inspection. Before we lay down the ceramic coating, you want your paint to be in pretty close to perfect condition because it's gonna lock in for years. So you want your paint to be, once it's locked in, you want it to look good. So you don't want any imperfections. So this is a brand new car, but you can see that right there. And you can see these imperfections that are in the paint. These are the things that you don't want. If I go by the paint, I can see that. So I don't want that to get locked in my paint with a 2-year coating. And I'll show you, as you can see, this does not, it's not coming out. I've already tried to get that out. And you see that is in the paint. So the only way to remove that is to get our machine polisher, and we'll have to polish that out. So these are the type of imperfections that you don't want locked in your paint before you put a coating on. So we'll get all that out, get that cleaned up. So that's just an example of a new car. Even though they're new, they still have stuff from transit, from shipping, things that get locked in the paint that you